Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's make this amazing corn fiesta pasta with some leftover corn fiesta. So there I'm boiling some pasta until it's al dente and I'm seasoning some salmon. I'm going to pan sear the salmon for about 5 minutes. Now there's my corn fiesta. I'll leave the link for that in the description box. After about 6 minutes, I remove the salmon and then I'm adding some onions and carrots. Now you don't have to, but I just love me some onions. The corn fiesta takes care of all the flavoring. All right, but here you can add a little bit of cheese. Feel free to adjust if you want to. Here you're going to add your pasta and you can use any pasta of your choice. Adjust, taste, and that's it guys. Dinner is served. I mean, after 8 hours of work, who wants to be standing for 2 hours cooking? Not me. So this was an amazing quick and easy dinner, and I hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Bye bye.